Okay, now we're going to talk about these segment pieces that are inside this circle. And these are chords, and if I have two chords cross inside a circle, they make four pieces here. And I can figure out any one of these pieces using this formula where A times B equals C times D. So it's this, both pieces of this side here, and I multiply those together, and they're equal to these two on this side, like that. So we can use that formula here. You just have to keep the parts together that need to go together. So I'm going to mark these real quick. And you just have to be careful when you're reading the parts off of the circle, which part goes with which part. I can already anticipate some of you are going to not be real careful with that. So on the yellow one, x and 12, so that's 12x. And on the other side I have 8 times 15. Now this is a little algebra problem. And we just do 8 times 15. Eight times 15, and we get 12x equals 120, and then divide by 12. But I'll show you a shortcut. We could just do that all in one line. We know we're going to do 8 times 15 and divide by 12, and we can just do it all in one line like that. So on the next one, we have the yellow ones are 8 and x is equal to 7 times 16. So 7 times 16 divided by 8, and we get x is 14. Alright, here, now we've got a little algebra expression there. 9 times x plus 5 equals 15 times 6. I could start by distributing. I could start by distributing, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 9 on both sides. So I get x plus 5 equals, then when I put this all in my calculator, I just get 10 there. That's a lot easier than distributing and all that. So then minus 5, and we get x equals 5. Okay, and this one, the yellow ones are 4, 9x plus 1, and then this side is 8 and 5. Again, just divide by 4 to begin with. 9x plus 1 equals 10. Minus 1, 9x equals 9, x equals 1. And finally this one, I have equations on both sides, so I'm going to have to do this one the other way. X times x, 6 times x plus 15, and 10 times this. Now this one, because I have these expressions on both sides, I'm going to have to go ahead and distribute these. And I get 6x plus 90 equals 10x plus 90 minus the 90 from both sides. 6x equals 10x minus 6x, and I get 0 equals 4x, divide by 4, and you get x equals 0.